Would you like to modernize your car with 9-inch head unit? This one came from iDoing, and yes, it is plug and play. My Hyundai i20 has stereo and this massive plastic panel that will have to be removed along with this cluster surround plastic bit. New head unit came with its own panel, so only 2 buttons and 2 vents has to be swapped. And here it is, nicely packed head unit with installation guide. I got reversing camera, next bunch of cables in the back and unit with panel already assembled. Oh yeah, this will be next level for sure. Get 5% discount, link is in description below. This bit here says Hyundai on it, that's where factory connectors plug in. And all these connectors are for things such as USB ports, GPS, 4G and amplifier if you have one. Alright, let's check the cables. This is for amplifier. I don't have one, so this won't be needed. This one is for reversing camera and other accessories that I won't use. Next one is for microphone input and also it has Wi-Fi antenna. This is single USB, can be used for car link. This is a dual USB cable, never enough USB ports. This one is to connect original car USB to car link, not needed in my car. Here we have SIM card adapter cable and also 4G antenna connected with 2 SMA connectors. I won't use 4G stuff as it is expensive to run. Here is microphone, not needed as well. New unit uses existing car microphone. And last GPS antenna with SMA cable. I'll be using Google Maps. Oh, and here 2 plastic pray bars. Let's get started. First, pull out the surround plastic around cluster. It is way harder than it looks. Let it rest on steering wheel and now let's move on to this sucker. It is brutally hard to remove this panel. Be careful as dashboard is soft and can be easily damaged even with plastic tools. Take your time, wiggle, pull and pray that nothing gets damaged. Check video where I installed iDoing head unit into my Dacia Docker. Here we go, disconnect buttons cable and here we have 4 screws for Phillips head screwdrivers holding old unit in. These were also unnecessarily tight. Hyundai is making things last, I guess. Now stereo can be pulled out and also pull out antenna connector and 2 main connectors, just like so. These 2 will fit into the new head unit along with antenna. Now it's time to transfer vents and buttons to the new panel. Again, take your time and be gentle. All will fit just fine. Make sure to subscribe, and if you want head unit from iDoing, check links in description below. It has 4 GB of RAM and 128 GB of internal storage. This is optional. Done. Now I'll connect some connectors. This one goes here, but it is not needed. This goes here. By the way, each connector is different, so you can't mix things up. Next, Wi-Fi antenna and mic input goes here. Get 5% discount on your order. Single USB will fit here. Dual USB will be plugged here. And GPS antenna goes here. SMA port labeled GPS. Last, here goes your FM AM antenna. I pre-installed reverse camera, so video signal will be plugged here and reverse detect line to blue wire labeled reverse. That's all. Let's test it out. AM/FM antenna. This is Wi-Fi antenna. This is for reverse camera and 2 main connectors. It fits in just like in factory stereo. It has wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Now let's turn the key. Boom! It's on. It is Android 12 and it is working. iDoing is making head units for many cars. Check their website, link in description below. I will quickly set my steering wheel buttons just like this for now. And not to forget, GPS antenna, install it in and connect to SMA port, easy. Let's see, reverse camera. Let me shift the reverse and boom, works. It needs little setup, but so far all good. Little bit of cable management and new head unit can be locked in like so. I'll be doing setup video, so let me know what would you like to see. If you're looking to get one for your car, make sure to check link below. Thanks for watching and see you next time.